Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to repost reels on Instagram by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Instagram, and after that, since we want to repost reel, we just need to go into the reel section. And how we go into the reel section, we just need to take a look on this bottom line, and this one is a home page, this one is for search or explore, this one is to create a new content for your Instagram, and this one is to exporting the reels on Instagram. So just need to click this, and we just need to scrolling down and find out which content or which reels that we want to repost to. Okay, for example, I think this one is good, so we just need to go into this right bottom. There will be a lot of features. Go into this plain symbol and go click into your stories. Okay, so the chosen reels that we already chose before is already appear in our story section, and you just need to click add to your story, and now the reels is already uploaded into your story. Let's go check it. Just need to click home, go into the story, and now it's in the processing to uploading the story, the reels into your story. And now it's already uploaded, and that's all the way how you upload reels or repost reels on your Instagram. If you find that this video is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.